नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज डिजिटल सेशन 2.0. I am Dr. JB and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic, a case. This is our clinical class. Today I am giving you a case for repertorization. So the case is start. Name of the patient, Master Prem. Age 10 year, sex male child, occupation student, religion Hindu, address Sector 15 Jaipur. Provisional diagnosis, please you can start the case taking, reading the case taking and give me a provisional diagnosis of case. Present complaint of the patient takes cold easily, cough aggravation at night after 1 a.m. and from getting up from the bed in the morning and the shortness of the breath. History of present complaint. Patient suffered from the paroxysms of dry cough at night leading to dyspnea, compelling the patient to use inhaler since 2 years. During sleep, complaints aggravate. At change of weather, especially spring approaching winters, cough leading to vomiting of mucus and water. Patient wants constant changes, is irritable and hyperactive patient. Treatment history. Patient took allopathic treatment from the respiratory specialist. He was put on inhalers and anti-allergics but without any relief. Family history. Both mother and the father are asthmatic and they are affecting before marriage. Physical constitution. Patient is average build, fair complexion, easily irritated and very obstinate. Physical general. Appetite is for cold food, thirst, cold drink and ice cream, tongue coated, sometimes mapped tongue, stool normal, urine normal, perspiration normal, sleep normal, dreams nothing specific, thermal patient is hot, gesture hyperactive. So according to case taking, this case is acute. So miasmatic evaluation, you can do it as per your aspect. Second, repertorization. In repertorization, case processing is compulsory. First is analysis of symptom, second is evaluation of the symptom, and third is classification of the symptom. And then you can create the totality of the symptom. And after totality of the symptoms, you can start the repertorization with the help of rubric searching in your repertory, those selected by you. Prescription. After repertorization, you can get a group of medicines and with the help of materia medica and these medicine you can select a single remedy for prescription. And this is not necessary the first medicine is your final selection of the medicine. You can get some medicines group and with the help of materia medica or the totality of the symptom and some modalities of the patient, start to search out the single medicine and then prescribe. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.